Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD miter saw. The Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD has a patented axial glide system that allows for larger crosscuts and reduces size by more than 1 foot. The 15-amp motor provides plenty of power to cut even the most difficult woods. This fence provides adequate support for cutting. Its quick release mechanism allows for simple adjustments. It also has a trigger handle, which allows for a more comfortable grip while working. This brand has a number of drawbacks. One of the first things we noticed was that the unit costs more than twice as much as the majority of the other brands on this list. It's also quite heavy, weighing close to 100 pounds. Its weight makes it less mobile, and we discovered that it is quite noisy. The collection skimmer, which collects sawdust, is both expensive and thin. For small cuts, the fence was a little too big. Our second best miter saw is Makita LS1219L miter saw. The Makita miter saw LS1219L is our top pick for the best overall 12-inch miter saw. This model is extremely light and has an efficient direct drive 13-amp motor that can effortlessly cut through the toughest of woods. It is adjustable in various ways to fit your body, and the precision machined aluminum base helps keep the machine in place while you cut. Soft start allows you to cut slowly to avoid chipping, and an electronic brake allows you to stop the blade immediately after each cut. The kit also includes an abrasive blade and a dust bag, allowing you to get started on your next project right away. The only complaint we have is that the instruction manual that comes with it isn't very helpful. We learned how to use it through experimentation, trial, and error. If you are using this for the first time, you can look for videos to learn how to set up the saw and how to operate it. Third pick in our list is dewalt DWS715 miter saw. The 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor that spins at 4,000 revolutions per minute, providing extended power and durability. It has a stainless steel miter detent plate and cam miter lock for repeatable accuracy and durability with simple adjustments. There will be no empty spaces on the Tesla Model 3 floor after you install the Tough Pro floor mats. They also use a computerized cutting system to ensure that their mats are the perfect fit for your vehicle. This brand provides complete protection from snow, rain, salt, and dirt. They are made of non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and odor-free material. As a result, by using these mats, you will be doing the environment a favor. Not only will they cover your floor 25% more than other car floor mats, which most do not, but because these mats have rough surfaces that help with getting mud or debris off of cars, they are also very easy to clean. All you need is a damp towel. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is dewalt DCS361B miter saw. The dewalt DCS361B is an excellent small and compact miter saw. This is a 7 1/4 inch miter saw that will easily fit into your shop. It has many valuable features, including a high cut capacity, increased accuracy, dual bevel, and many others. The dewalt DCS361B is a sliding tool with a left bevel range of -3 to -48 degrees. It also has a locating system to assist you in fine-tuning your cuts. With a weight of only 31.6 pounds, this miter saw is extremely portable. As a result, it is simple to transport and store. It has a handle that allows you to cut miter angles precisely. Its machined fence support enhances cutting stability. You can cut through any 3 to 12-inch high material with ease and accuracy. Its detent plate also has 10 positive stops. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops increases productivity and cutting accuracy. Oversized bevel scale makes bevel angle adjustments accurate and easy. Number 5 in our top 5 best miter saw list is Makita XSL02ZX2 LXT cordless miter saw. If you need a more portable yet powerful option, then consider this one. It's small and lightweight, so it can be carried around and moved easily. Aside from that, the tool has twice the cutting capacity of a single slide miter saw, allowing for more precise cutting. The motor produces more RPM, peaking at around 5,800. The speed is ideal for making both small and large cuts without causing damage to the piece as a whole. You can easily manipulate the movements upwards and downwards to slide on the rail with 4 stainless steel supports using the rigid plastic handle. With a weight of about 29 pounds, the tool is easily packed into a case and transported to other locations. Because of its 26-inch width, the machine can be used on any cutting table, which is unusual for portable miter saws. In addition, because the saw is cordless and battery powered, there is no need to look for a power source. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.